Some places don't rush to impress you. They let you arrive slowly. They speak in silence, in rituals, in time itself. Varanasi isn't just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. And it all begins as the sun rises over the river. Every once in a while, you find a place that doesn't just show you the world. It shows you yourself. And Varanasi, the world's oldest living city, does exactly that. As light spreads, the river begins to move. Here, mornings rise in gold over the Ganges, and nights glow with 1,000 lamps telling stories older than history. And slowly, the city wakes with it. As the city wakes up, life feels incredibly raw, incredibly real. No rush, no noise, just the sound of the river, temple bells, and a calmness that hits you deep. Step away from the water and into the heart of the city. Walk through these ancient lanes, and you'll feel layers of history wrapped in warmth and chaos, the good kind. At the center of it all, faith takes shape. At the heart of Varanasi stands the legendary Kashi Vishwanath temple, and with the new corridor, the whole experience feels smooth, modern, and incredibly spiritual. And just beyond the city, silence tells another story. Sarnath, Buddha's first sermon. Just 15 minutes away is Sarnath, where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon. The peace here, it hits different. Across the river, history stands still at Ramnagar Fort. Across the river, the 18th century Ramnagar Fort stands frozen in time. Back on the Ghats, mornings find their rhythm. Head to Assi Ghat for Subah-e Banaras, where music, yoga, and sunrise come together in the most peaceful way. And then, the city shows you its deepest truth. And then there's Manikarnika Ghat, a place that teaches you the deepest truths of life. It's powerful, emotional, humbling. And its soul lives in the hands of its people. And nothing beats watching master artisans weave Banarasi silk, thread by thread, creating magic. And of course, the city speaks through flavor. Now, let's talk food. Kachori sabzi, jalebis, chaat. These flavors are unforgettable. Sweet moments, made to be remembered, lassi and desserts. And don't miss the legendary blue lassi or the winter special, Malayo. As evening falls, Varanasi gathers along the river for the Ganga Aarti. Priests move in perfect rhythm, lamps rise into the night, and the Ganges becomes a stage of light, sound, and devotion. This is the heartbeat of the city, powerful, unforgettable, and deeply moving. So if you're craving a journey that mixes history, spirituality, food, and unforgettable vibes, Varanasi is calling. Come to the city that pauses time and brings your soul back to life. If this journey touched something inside you, let the river carry you to more stories like this. Subscribe to Tripinn and keep traveling, not just the world, but yourself.